Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Even with limited square footage, your yard can become a bold expression of style and charm that instantly boosts curb appeal. By using smart design strategies and eye-catching fence and garden elements, your small front yard can feel larger, more inviting, and beautifully tailored to your home's personality. Now, let's explore the best DIY front yard fence and garden ideas to turn your tiny space into a true showstopper. Small fence, big personality. Use decorative panels, slatted wood, or geometric cutouts to give your short fence a strong visual punch. Even a low fence can become a powerful design feature when treated as a bold architectural statement. Add vertical gardens or hanging baskets to your fence for instant greenery and charm. This transforms plain boundaries into living walls that boost beauty without stealing space. Paint your fence in contrasting or bold tones like deep green, charcoal, or crisp white. A striking color choice frames your garden like artwork and makes your home stand out from the curb. Designing garden beds that fit and flow. Choose narrow garden beds that follow the fence line, using drought-tolerant plants and layered heights. This softens hard lines and creates a natural rhythm that draws the eye across your yard. Use curved borders instead of straight edges to make the yard feel larger and more organic. This simple shape trick tricks the eye into seeing more space than there really is. Install raised beds made of stone or brick to add depth and texture to your small front yard. They also help define plant zones while making maintenance easier and tidier. Creating visual illusions with texture and color. Mix foliage textures, like spiky grasses, glossy leaves, and soft ferns, for a rich layered look. Texture adds movement and contrast, making even the smallest gardens feel lush and full. Stick to a limited, cohesive color palette of greens, whites, and one bright accent flower. Keeping the colors tight creates visual calm and elegance, even in tight spaces. Use mirrors or reflective garden art strategically to double the perception of space. When sunlight hits just right, these features bounce light and add surprise depth. Turning corners into focal points. Don't waste a single corner. Turn it into a showstopper with a mini tree or bold statement planter. A small ornamental tree like Japanese maple or olive adds vertical elegance without crowding. Place a cozy bench or bistro table near the edge of your yard to create a lived-in feel. Even a small seat adds charm and makes your garden feel like an outdoor extension of your home. Highlight your corner with solar spotlights or lanterns to draw attention after sunset. Evening lighting makes your yard glow and shows off your design 24/7, without taking up space. Stylish pathways and entry accents. Use stepping stones or gravel walkways that guide guests through your small space naturally. This not only helps with flow but also visually stretches the yard when laid at an angle. Frame your front path with low hedges, planters, or even ornamental grasses. These soft borders define the space while offering a warm, welcoming entrance. Add an arched trellis or gate at the start of your walkway to create a sense of entry. This simple structure elevates your curb appeal and makes the smallest yard feel like a grand arrival. Thanks for watching. We hope these genius fence and garden ideas have sparked your creativity and shown you just how powerful a small front yard can be. With the right touches, your space can go from overlooked to unforgettable, without breaking the bank. Think this was impressive? Just wait until you see how people are turning literal trash into magical garden spaces. We're talking about transformations so creative, so unexpected you'll question everything you thought about design. Click now, you have to see what they used. It's bold, beautiful, and absolutely mind-blowing.